How to get rid of a cough overnight. Complications of cough. A little bit of cough every now and then is normal, however, persistent cough can indicate a health condition. Acute cough that lasts less than 2 to 3 weeks may be a sign of acute illnesses such as cold. Whereas, chronic cough which is persistent may be the result of asthma, bronchitis, sinus, allergy, dust fumes or occupational pollutants, gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. You should not ignore persistent coughs that have been there for more than 4 weeks, and seek medical advice, particularly if it disturbs your sleep or affects your work. Number 1. Keep yourself hydrated by drinking lots of fluids like coconut water, fruit juices, or infused water. Fluids help to thin the mucus, whereas lukewarm liquids like tea or soup can soothe the throat. Number 2. Honey is an excellent remedy when it comes to the treatment of cough. For a sore throat, you can mix honey in warm water or simply eat a spoonful of it. Never give honey to children younger 1 year old as it might contain bacteria harmful for them. 3. Gargling with salt mixed in water is a simple but effective remedy that is of great help to remove mucus and soothe your throat. 4. Elevate your head with extra pillows while sleeping. 5. Use a cool mist humidifier in your room or work area, or take a steamy shower to moisten the air. This will help in breaking the mucus buildup.
Alternative therapies of cough. Here are a few of the remedies for cough other than your conventional medicines. One. Thyme leaves contain flavonoids that help in relieving sore throat. You can boil a few thyme leaves in water and consume the mixture after straining to get relief from the sore throat. 2. Peppermint, pudina, helps in providing relief from the sore throat. You can either consume it in the form of tea or inhale it by adding a few drops of peppermint oil in boiling water. 3. Clove, lavanga, can be fried in ghee and should be kept in mouth for sucking. This preparation is quite useful for relieving cough. 4. Take 60 mg powdered fruit of long pepper, pipali, and 120 mg of rock salt, Saint Havana, mix it with hot water and take it 2 times in a day. 5. Take 3 to 6 grams of fruit and root of long pepper, pipali, and dried ginger, shunti, in equal proportion. Mix this with honey and take this mixture 2 times in a day. 6. Prepare gurta, also called ghee, from equal part of fruit of black pepper, marica, fresh ginger, and raw sugar. Mix all the ingredients and boil for 5 minutes. It is to be taken twice a day in a dose of around 12 to 24 grams. 7. You may take a juice of ginger, adrak 14 milliliters, with equal quantity of honey, twice a day. 8. The decoction of tamarind, imli, leaves, 14 to 28 milliliters, is to be taken with 2 grams of rock salt, Saint Havana, and 500 milligrams of asafoetida, hing, fried in ghee. This preparation can be taken twice a day.